Good morning everyone and welcome to the subject orientation of computer science for the session 2021 to 22. Teacher in charge Ms. Seema Sinha, name of student volunteers Arnab Modi, I and Navya Agarwal. These are the contents which we would be covering today in our presentation. Starting with the introduction.
To introduce, computers have permeated in every facet of life. Study of basic concepts of computer science has been desired in education. There are courses offered in name of computer science, information technology, etc. by various boards in school up in the secondary stage. These mainly focus upon using computer for word processing, presentation tools, and application software. Computer science at the higher secondary stage of school education is also offered as an optional subject. At this stage, students usually opt for CS with an aim of pursuing career in software development or related areas, after going through professional courses at higher levels. Therefore, at higher secondary stage, the curriculum of CS introduces basics of computing and sufficient conceptual background of computer science.
Coming to the overview of the subject, the primary focus is on fostering the development of computational thinking and problem solving skills. The following topics are covered in CS in grade 11. Number 1, fundamentals, which includes basic understanding of computer system, hardware components and software, data representation, number system, encoding, etc. Number 2, problem solving, which includes problem analysis, algorithm, flowchart implementation, testing and maintenance. Number 3, programming, which includes basic constructs of a program using Python along with another language called MySQL, which is also part of the curriculum. Last but not the least, societal impact, which includes awareness of digital footprints, data privacy and protection, cybercrime, etiquettes in a digital society, and implications on security, privacy, piracy, ethics, values, and health concerns. This is the syllabus outline for grade 11 and grade 12.
The following topics will be covered in the two grades.
Moving on, these are a few experiences of the students who took up CS in grade 11 last session. Now, why should you choose this subject? First of all, it not just teaches you how to code, but also teaches you algorithmic thinking and problem solving skills. It's a very application based subject, therefore, there is a lot of focus on using the concepts learned. Also, the final project towards the end of grade 11 and 12 is a good opportunity for students to incorporate all their learning across the year into a single project. Taking the subject would give you a head start if you're planning to pursue computer science in college. Last but not the least, there has been an increase in job opportunities in the field of computers lately.
Coming to the universities that you can apply after pursuing computer science is the IITs, Birla Institute of Technology and Science, the NITs, and the Vellore Institute of Technology within India. And for the universities abroad, you can consider the MIT, Stanford, the National University of Singapore, University of California, etc.
Career pathways. You can take one of the following careers if you pursue computer science in the future: software developer, data scientist, computer hardware engineer, game developer, web developer, etc.
So coming to a reflective exercise, we would like you to make a flowchart to find the largest number among the three numbers, i.e. number 1, number 2 and number 3. You can refer to the flowchart given. It is a flowchart to check if a person is eligible to vote or not. Thank you.